can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about the last week for Supreme, which is week 19 if I'm not mistaken. We're going to talk about the Vans coming out, the drop list, which low-key I did cover in my left to drop video. Literally almost every item that I spoke about is exactly what's coming out this week, which is kind of nuts. So I am going to talk about some of the prices. I'm gonna let y'all know once again which ones are dookie and probably what I will end up going for. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Another thing I do want to say is that in the end of this video, we are going to announce the giveaway winners for the giveaway that we just had running. The winners are going to be announced in this video, so make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for that. So we're going to start from the bottom of the list and work our way up to the top. This is going to be a quick ass video. I'm going to just sum it up because I already spoke about it like 2 days ago or something like that. We got this tank top, which is the piping tank. If you're not into tank tops, bro, this ain't for you. Like, I don't wear tank tops like that, so this shit is a dub. Besides, for $68, this shit could hold a tip. They wow. We got this Terry short sleeve, which is low-key like a toalla, like it's a towel into a shirt that I definitely will not be going for, especially for $88 retail. Too much for me. We got this Flags rayon, which low-key I feel like has dropped like 3 weeks ago or some shit like that. I low-key felt like this dropped before, but it didn't. This is gonna be coming out for $138 and it is near the bottom of the drop list. We got the embossed denim camp cap. This one actually isn't that bad. If you guys know, this season I actually did end up going for a lot of hats from Supreme, 2 of them being right here. I feel like this season was definitely a fire season to go ahead and pick up hats. This season actually wasn't even that bad. If you guys would like me to review the whole season or even make a video talking about everything I picked up this season, go ahead and let me know in the comments. But this hat is gonna drop for 50 beans. I'm good, bro. I don't need another hat, especially not this mesh crusher right here. This one's gonna come out for $50 too. And low-key, this shit is kind of dookie, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It got like holes at the top. Low-key, we were at the zoo today and it was like raining. Your head would have been wet with the hat on. That's something you're not looking for, and I'm good on this hat. I'm not gonna lie. We got this Bling Towel, which is low-key one of the better items releasing this week. This one's gonna drop for $68, which is expected since it is a towel. Low-key, I would end up going for this if there wasn't another item that I'm wanting from this week. We got the Michael Phelps swimming cap. Remember I said I didn't want this shit to be over $25. It's $24. They heard me, and they're not charging $25 for this sculptor head right here. I'm good on this sculptor cap. Like, this shit is weak, and for $24 I definitely don't need it. I'm not using this, bro. I don't even use a shower cap. Who the hell is using a fucking... Who's using that, bro? I'm gonna just put a picture. Who is using that? After that, we got these swimming goggles, which are gonna go for $88. Who needs this? Like, I'm good on most of this shit. Low-key, there's only 2 things that I want, and it's the Vans that are gonna be coming out and the Bling Towel, but I'm only going for the Vans. I do wanna say that if you guys do wanna go ahead and check out Addict.io, I will leave a link at the top of the description. It is currently sold out, but they will be restocking soon. It's gonna be super limited, so if you guys are gonna wanna go ahead and cop that, make sure you click the link and sign up for their newsletter. I just wanted to let y'all know. But we got 2 more pieces to go ahead and talk about, and one of them is this slip-on Van. I'm not gonna lie, the slip-ons are kind of ass for this design. I feel like if they would have done the old schools, those would have been fire. I love the fact that on the high tops there's a little bit of the punch hole design, and then you still have like that normal Vans on the front and the back of it, so it's not like overbearing like the slip-on. I definitely am a fan of the highs, and those are the ones that I'll definitely be going for. Those are gonna retail for $110, and the slip-ons are gonna retail for $88 if I'm not mistaken. I could definitely see the high top ones having some type of resell. Definitely down the line these will go up. I love the branding on the high tops as well. It has that Supreme ARC logo in the old English font on the back, which I'm a huge fan of. Low-key, for me, the better colorways are the navy and the black ones. I said the better colorways, like there's more colorways. Both colorways are pretty good, and I feel like it's pretty solid in the high top pair. The lows are kind of dookie, not gonna lie, but that pretty much does it for the drop list. This is the last week of Supreme, so if you guys do enjoy this type of content, subscribe. Let me know what you would like me to do, whether it's Palace, drop list, Kith, any vlogs, like challenges, anything you would like me to do, just leave it in the comments, because I'm definitely gonna have a whole lot of time to go ahead and do it from this point on. Just make sure you go ahead and let let me know, because it definitely does matter. I want to see what direction I take this channel on, and it's only gonna be guided based on what you guys would like to see. I'm gonna try to do more challenges, more online mystery boxes, physical mystery boxes, just a whole bunch of shit, definitely including sneakers into the channel more as well, because I feel like it shouldn't just be strictly based on Supreme. I also want to create some weekly series, like maybe I talk about streetwear. On Sundays I drop like a streetwears and sneakers, all the news that we got from the past week, I talk about it on the weekend. That would be kind of cool. But just let me know. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy, subscribe if you're new, click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's get into the giveaway winners.
We're about to announce the 5 giveaway winners for our Supreme favorite items. We're giving away a Motion logo beanie,
some Oreos with some stickers. We're giving away a mercenary tee,
a morph tee,
and the blue shoulder bag, which is actually fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the thing right here. Then we're gonna go ahead and just choose the winners real quick.
If you did join, thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for supporting our channel.
So right here, we about to go ahead, go to the winners tab. Boom, you already know what it is. Choose winners. I click draw winners, and let's just see what we got. It's about to load, bro. Yeah, nah, but for real, because there's a lot of trying to like give y'all a little bit of anticipation. Like,
oh my god!
Draw winners.
5
winners.
5 people.
Yeah, it's 5 different people. Click draw, and it's drawing you, bro. This is the moment of truth.
Alright.
Right here are the winners. I'm gonna pop them up right here for you guys. Put your head to the side so they can see who's winning.
Shout out to first place winner is Marcus Fernandez.
Second place winner is Kevin Aguilar.
Third place winner is Antonio Soto Mendoza.
Fourth place winner is Tony Monroe.
Oh my god, and the 5th place winner is Gabriel Hernandez. Yo, shout out to everyone who won.
Yeah.
We're so happy.
Basically, the way that we're gonna do it is first place chooses first, second place after, third, fourth, fifth, and so on pretty much. But I'm not gonna lie, I see that 5th place is Gabriel Hernandez. If you go back into all my previous videos, homie has supported every single video. So I'm probably gonna slide in something extra for the homie. But shout out to each and every one of you who did enter the giveaway. It does mean the world. There was 7,300 entries,
crazy.
Which is insane. I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna have more giveaways probably coming really soon.
And there will be a special surprise inside the box when we ship it to you guys. If you guys do want to film it and send it over to us, and we will literally put it in our videos when we film.
Yeah, that would be sick.
That would really be cool.
I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.